after the rain, the weather feels amazing. Everything is so green and beautiful all around. The wind has settled down now. It feels calm and normal. And it is not hot anymore. Earlier it was super hot, but then the weather suddenly changed. A strong wind kicked in with a dust storm, and the storm was so intense that while filming the video, the dust kept blowing into my eyes and I couldn't even talk properly. Check out that clip. The weather is suddenly changed here. A few minutes before, the weather was seriously hot, but now see the dust in the air. It looks like it's a dust storm here. You can the dust storm sky. Maybe it was really hot earlier, but now it is rainy. If you look at the cloud there, you can see the thick clouds and the wind blowing like crazy. It's really strong. It's cooled down now and very nice weather. Wow, I am enjoying this weather here.